Trump's war, with a price tag of $44 billion and $4 gas, made us worse off today than we were when he started it. And let's go over this piece by piece. Why are we worse off today than the day he started it? First, the Strait of Hormuz. It's in worse shape today, with more Iranian domination of it than it was before the war started. Iran has now demonstrated to the whole world that it can use the Strait of Hormuz as leverage against the international community. In terms of what Trump has described of this two-week ceasefire, in terms of even when that holds, the strait is only partially open for 2 weeks, and it's on a conditional basis. That leverage is not gone. Trump handed to the Iranians leverage over the Strait of Hormuz. So in the short term, we're not in much better shape, and in the long term, we're in much worse shape when it comes to all the oil that has to go out of the straits. Second, the Iranian regime. Iran still has an Ayatollah named Khamenei. The Iranian regime is still standing, not just standing, but now emboldened. And the regime is likely to be even more radical and more dangerous than it was before. So it's worse. Trump's Iran war has strengthened the Iranian regime and made the United States' position worse. Gas prices. At home here, American families have paid the price for this war. Gas prices have skyrocketed in just a matter of days. They're not going to change until August. And in general, the world oil markets will be unsettled for years. Years from now, several years from now, Americans in the world will still be paying the price, a higher price for gas prices than before the war started. Iran's nuclear ambition, worse. The bottom line is that Iran still has its nuclear stockpile, its nuclear ambitions. Iran still has its nuclear stockpile. Its nuclear ambitions are still unchecked, if not accelerated. And finally, American credibility. The nations of the world are furious at Trump. The Europeans, the Asians, even the Middle Eastern allies. They say, what the hell is he doing? And the United States' diplomatic position and credibility in the world is dramatically worse because of this war. So just in summary, this war has made us worse off today than before it started.